Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be changing my starter in my 2005 Honda Civic LX. This starter replacement should be the same for the 2001 through 2005 models of the Honda Civic. I purchased this starter off of rockauto.com, but you could purchase this same starter from any auto parts store near you. The tools you'll need for this job is a long 8 to 10 inch half-inch extension, a short extension roughly 3 inches, a 10mm socket, either short or long, a 12mm socket, and a 14mm socket, as well as, of course, a half-inch drive ratchet wrench. In order to access the starter, you need to first remove the air cleaner assembly by removing 4 10mm bolts. Now that all the bolts are removed from the air cleaner assembly, it's time to remove it so you can access the starter. Before removing the starter, make sure to disconnect the battery by disconnecting both terminals, but the negative one first. Now with the battery disconnected, it's time to remove the electrical connections to the solenoid of the starter. One wire is easily removed using a 12mm socket and a long extension. The other wire is removed by just pulling it off of the connection. Now with the electrical connections removed from the starter, you can easily remove the starter using two 14mm sockets. Here I am showing you the two locations of both of the bolts. Now it's time to remove the starter and replace it with the new one. But first, you want to make sure that they are identical. You want to look at them and make sure everything is the same. You might be wondering what you're going to do with the old starter. Some places require you to return the starter for a core charge. Because Rock Auto does not require me to return this starter, I'm going to disassemble this starter and take out the copper wire and melt it into something else. So make sure you check out some of my other videos on my channel. Now that the old starter is out, it's time to put the new starter in. The way we do that is the same way we took the starter out, but in reverse. And when you're putting the new starter in, make sure you pay attention to what bolts went where when removing it. Because for this one, the back bolt and the front bolt are two different lengths. So you're going to make sure you use the longer one for the back. Now that we have the starter mounted in place, we just have to hook up the solenoid. After the solenoid, all we have to do is hook up the battery and start the engine. Hey guys, I hope you liked the video today. I hope it helped you out in your Civic starter replacement. If it did, leave a comment below and give the video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it.